Terry, thank you for that. Right now, the latest on a legal battle over the deadly crash that took the life of a Florida State trooper and a truck driver. The trooper was conducting a high-speed chase on I-95. The trooper's family filing a countersuit against the truck driver's estate. Today, our Angela Rozier spoke with attorneys from both sides and has their responses.
Well, the attorney representing the family of that truck driver says he can't say much because they're still in litigation, but he says his client did nothing wrong.
To me, that is ridiculous. It is abuse of a process.
The attorney representing the family of truck driver Arsenio Mas says his client was not at fault.
The police officer lost control of the vehicle and went in front of our vehicle, our client's vehicle, as he was driving in his own lane at the speed limit, minding his own business.
But one of the attorneys representing the Fink estate says Trooper Fink did not crash into Mas.
Trooper Fink had actually passed the tractor trailer about a mile down the road and was continuing his pursuit and was struck from behind as he was attempting to pursue a fleeing felon.
Robert Fink, the father of Florida Highway Trooper Zachary Fink, filed a countersuit against the estate of truck driver Arsenio Mas, the owner of the truck and the company Mas worked for. Trooper Fink and Mas collided on Interstate 95 when the suspect officers were pursuing made a U-turn and headed north in the southbound lane near Crosstown Parkway. Both Fink and Mas died. Mas's estate filed a lawsuit against FHP and the Fink estate for wrongful death and auto negligence in December 2024.
And that doesn't mean we don't feel bad for the Florida Highway Patrol family. What happened to him is awful, and our hearts go out to them. He was trying to do the best he could. But that doesn't mean that they didn't put my client in harm's way.
Fink's father filed a countersuit in April of this year.
It's a tragedy for everybody, regardless of who's at fault or what. We have two men that had families that lost their lives, and those folks, they're changed forever.
Now, the countersuit is seeking damages of more than $50,000. Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.